Can you survive this space quiz? Get ready. It's about to get tricky. Let's start. What is the fastest thing in the universe? A. Light. B. Sound. C. Gravity waves. Correct. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. Amazing. All right, next one. Which planet has a storm raging for over 300 years? A. Saturn. B. Jupiter. C. Neptune. Yes, Jupiter has a storm raging for over 300 years. Nice. Tricky one. What is the point of no return in a black hole? A. Gravity ring. B. Dark core. C. Event horizon. Great! It's called the event horizon. Mind-blowing. This one's interesting. Which moon may have alien life under ice? A. Europa. B. Triton. C. Ganymede. Awesome. Europa may have alien life under ice. Next one. Which planet's rotation is slowing down over time? A. Earth. B. Venus. C. Mars. Correct. Earth's rotation is slowing down over time. Incredible. Okay, look up at the sky for this. Why do stars twinkle? A. Solar wind. B. Atmospheric turbulence. C. Gravity waves. Correct. Stars twinkle due to atmospheric turbulence. Can you guess? Which planet has two suns? A. Kepler 16b. B. HD 209458b. C. Gliese 581c. Good job. Kepler 16b orbits two suns. Amazing. What is the coldest known place in the universe? A. Pluto. B. Boomerang Nebula. C. Neptune. Correct. The Boomerang Nebula is the coldest place in the universe. Where does space officially begin? A. Ozone line. B. Gravity edge. C. Kármán line. Great. Space begins at the Kármán line. Awesome. Which moon may have more water than all of Earth's oceans combined? A. Enceladus. B. Titan. C. Ganymede. Yes, Ganymede may have more water than Earth. Unbelievable. Easy one. What type of star is the Sun? A. Red giant. B. Yellow dwarf. C. White dwarf. Correct. The Sun is a yellow dwarf star. Perfect. Think carefully. Which planet has extreme seasons? A. Mars. B. Neptune. C. Uranus. Nice! Uranus has extreme seasons. Wild. Next one. What do we call an exploding star? A. Supernova. B. Pulsar. C. Nebula. Great! A dying exploding star is called a supernova. Do you know this one? What was the first object to leave the solar system? A. Apollo 11. B. Sputnik. C. Voyager 1. Awesome! Voyager 1 was the first to leave the solar system. Which planet has extremely powerful lightning? A. Venus. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. Correct. Jupiter has extremely powerful lightning. You're amazing. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Subscribe for more quizzes.